pleasant good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Southwest Airlines Flight 4498, service to Tampa. You can have your attention for just a few moments. We'd like to point out the safety features of our Boeing 737-800. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the flat end into the buckle. To release, lift up on the buckle. Seatbelt should be fastened tight and low across your hips, and anytime you are seated. There are 8 emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors, 4 overwing window exits, and 2 doors in the rear of the aircraft. Signs overhead and lights on the floor lead to all exits. A safety information card is located in the seat back pocket in front of you. If needed if there is a water evacuation, life vests are located under your seat. Remove the vest only if told to do so by a crew member. Pull the strap to open the container, remove from the pouch. Can we just say we're in Tampa now?
Yeah.
Wrap the strap around your waist, buckle in the front, and pull to tighten. Once outside, pull the red tab to inflate the vest. To manually inflate, blow into the red tube. Flight attendants are coming by to make sure that your seatbelt is securely fastened, your seat back in your service tray in the full upright and locked position, and all your carry items are stowed completely underneath the seat in front of you or in the overhead compartment, leaving the area around your feet clear. Smoking, including electronic cigarettes, is not allowed on board the aircraft or in the lavatory. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory. Federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance with all lighted passenger information signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions, including information on smoking. If needed, 4 oxygen masks will drop from the above compartment. To start the flow of oxygen, reach up, pull the mask down to you, fully extending the plastic tubing, cover both your nose and your mouth, and breathe normally. Secure the mask with the elastic strap. Although oxygen will be flowing, the plastic bag may not inflate. If you're seated next to someone needing special assistance, place your mask on first, then offer assistance. Thank you so much for your attention. Sit back, relax, enjoy the 1-hour flight to Tampa. And now give me a big round of applause because I got through that.